Does homework matter? Homework is something most students deal with. People often argue whether it's really helpful. Some say it's important for learning, while others believe it causes too much stress and doesn't help everyone equally. Today, this debate matters more than ever because schools are trying to balance learning with students' mental health, free time, and fairness for all. So the big question is, does homework actually help students succeed, or is it doing more harm than good? I believe homework can be very helpful if it's done the right way. It shouldn't just be busy work or something students do out of habit. When homework has a clear purpose and is thoughtfully assigned, it helps students learn and grow both in school and in life. Studies show that homework helps students review and practice what they've already learned in class. It also prepares them for future lessons and helps build important habits like managing time, being responsible, and sticking with a task even when it's hard. These are skills that go beyond school and are useful for life in general. Another benefit of homework is that it gives teachers a chance to give feedback. When teachers look at students' homework and give advice, students can see what they're doing well and where they need to improve. This kind of feedback helps students feel more connected to what they're learning. It's not just about getting a grade, but about growing and improving. Homework can also teach valuable life skills. For example, when students work through problems on their own at home, they learn to think critically and become more independent. They start to believe in themselves and their ability to figure things out. For younger kids, homework is also a great way for parents to get involved. When families help or discuss assignments together, it builds a stronger connection between home and school. But not all homework is created equal. Quality homework is key. Good homework isn't just about repeating the same thing every night. It's meaningful, interesting, and sometimes even fun. It can be connected to real life situations, or it might encourage students to talk with family members or do something creative. For instance, a student might be asked to interview a grandparent or write a personal experience. These types of assignments are more engaging and helpful and help students feel that their doing actually matters. In some subjects like math, repetitive practice can be very helpful, but only when it's clear why the practice matters. Students are more likely to stay motivated when they know the work has a purpose. Also, homework can be a way for teachers and families to build trust. When families see the kind of work their kids are doing and how the teacher responds to it, they feel more welcomed and involved. It shows that teachers care not just about test scores, but about students as whole people, and that parents are an important part of the learning process too. That said, homework shouldn't be overwhelming or frustrating. It should never feel like parents are expected to become the teacher, especially with tough subjects like middle school science. Instead, homework should give students a chance to apply what they've learned while giving families a window into their child's education. When homework is designed with care, when it's thoughtful, meaningful, and supported with feedback, it helps students build knowledge, develop skills, and stay connected with their teachers and families. That's why I believe homework, done right, is a powerful part of learning. On the flip side, many people believe homework causes more problems than it solves. Some say it causes stress, tiredness, and makes kids stop enjoying learning. Too much homework can make school feel like a chore instead of something exciting. Others argue that not all kids have the same resources at home, like a quiet place to work or someone to help them. That means homework can make it harder for kids who are already struggling, making school feel unfair. Critics also worry that homework takes away from things that are just as important as school, like family time, hanging out with friends, playing, and getting enough rest. These things help kids grow emotionally and socially. Plus, some say homework adds to the pressure kids feel to get into top colleges or get perfect grades instead of just learning for the sake of learning. In conclusion, so does homework matter? I think it does. If it's useful, fair, and not too much, homework can help students learn and grow, but only when it's done with a clear purpose and not just given out to keep kids busy. We should listen to both sides and make sure homework helps students, not hurts them.